Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the best barber around the world. In this video, you will find the most beautiful and craziest haircut at the same time in this video. So watch this video, watch this video to enjoy it. All of these haircut transformation gonna make your day. If you are bored right now and you are looking for some spicy content, I think this compilation is exactly what you need to watch. So don't skip, watch this video till the end and you will inspire, I can guarantee you. All of these most popular haircut inspired by the most popular around the world, and I'll make sure to mention all of these barber in my description box, so it's really easy to access all of these barber, and I think you should book an appointment and get a haircut from these barber. All of these haircuts are just flawless, and that was the craziest transformation. We always need a good barber in our life, and if you got that type of barber, I think you are the lucky one, because people just don't get that type of barber who just give you a perfect haircut.
I have alopecia areata. This is what I got left. I mean, get a lot of patches on the face. Now I'm getting the crowning.
This is from alopecia?
Yes.
Here?
I came to you to come fix it, my guy.
I got you. So what kind of haircut do you get? Because I have a recommendation, but...
All right, no problem. I'll just show you what they normally do. This is what they usually do.
I was going to say, do a fade. I don't know if you ever did a fade, but from here and stretch to up here. So that way this kind of will blend in.
I'm gonna trust you.
I was like, thicker on the sides here and thinner on the top.
Right.
That would look, in my opinion, it would look really good.
Okay.
It would last the longest.
I'll trust your judgment.
This the before and this the after. My client paid me $200 for this service. If you're looking for the best service in Philly, tap that link in my bio to book your appointment today.
Make sure to subscribe. I think you should subscribe to our channel after watching at least that haircut. These barbers are always ready to give you a top-notch haircut, and all of these barbers just got amazing talent, and they are very professional, and I love to watch that type of professional haircut. if you are looking for some latest haircut idea, I think the Barber Match shows is the exactly you are looking for, because we have uploaded.
Damn, that beard line got pushed the fuck down. I fixed it by taking it down to the same length as the regrowth, leaving everything as natural and crispy as possible, contouring it to fit his facial structure. Most barbers would push it down to make it look like a chin strap. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like after I fixed it. This service is $175. If you're in the Philadelphia area and you're looking for this service, tap that link in my bio to book your appointment today.
As you can see, all of these guys are very satisfied because they know that his barbers are just amazing. They got talent. They are very satisfied, and I think all of us, we need a barber in our life like this, who can just understand our hair type and face shape, and he has to able to give a perfect haircut according to his face shape. Flawless. That was flawless haircut transformation. The most beautiful, the most crispiest and sharp haircut transformation that was.
Pushing my shit the fuck back.
What makes you want to pay $175 for a haircut?
They don't do it right. It's pushing my shit the fuck back. These lines ain't sharp enough. They're not steady with the hands. They're not real right.
They're not real right. So what were they doing? Were they making your line up crooked? Were they?
Crooked make my line crooked.
So what kind of haircut you get today?
Taper, fade.
You get a high taper, low taper. So what are you getting this haircut today? Trying to look good for your lady?
Nah, this one big.
These barbers are just grinding. Yes, they are grinding. They got vibes. They got talent. And they got amazing clipper.
What are you hiding under there? Oh Lord! When's the last time you had a cut?
According to the
So
face
how am I
shape.
gonna fix that, man? How am I gonna fix that?
This service is $150. If you need the best service in Philadelphia, tap that link in my bio to book your appointment today.
Guys, if you're still watching this video,
Alright, so my brother got a calic on one side and he got a thin spot on the other side, so we gotta cut it down and cut it with the way that it grow. On the calic side, we're gonna spray it with some OG Walker, line it up and make sure we don't push it back, make sure the beard intact, and this is what you get. I don't know about y'all, but I think we solved the problem. This cut has 0 enhancements and it's all natural. I don't know what you're waiting for, but if you're looking for a new barber, click the link in my bio on book and let's do it.
If you're a barber, I just love to watch that type of satisfying transformation. Just hit the subscribe and turn the post notification. And guys, that was the last haircut transformation. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut transformation, guys. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updated for every new upload.